We'll guide you through how to fix CarPlay not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's a frustrating problem when CarPlay isn't working on an iPhone, because then you can't go and control your music, have your maps on your car screen, and other things like that as well. We're covering fixes as well, whether this is the first time you're connecting your iPhone to your car for CarPlay, or whether it is just trying to go and reconnect. So watch this full guide. First of all, drag down in the top right to open the control center on the battery. Go and find airplane mode, the icon, and tap on it to go and turn it on just for a few seconds and turn it back off just to go and refresh things. And then go and see if it will now go and work. If it still isn't, what you want to do is come to your settings. Go down to Bluetooth. So if you previously connected, find your car and My Devices and press the I to the right. Make sure CarPlay switched on. If you've got multiple, make sure that repeats. I don't have CarPlay for this option, but I do for this one. Go and see if that solves it. Next, you want to go and scroll down and find General. In here, you want to go and find CarPlay, and you want to make sure, we select the car, is switched on here. Now, if this is the first time you're trying to go and connect, it may say something here about setting it up with the button. Now, this isn't the case. For example, when I set my car up, my car didn't have this button. So if it is the first time, what you should try doing is try connecting it via Bluetooth, and you may go and get the prompt. So go and into your car settings and go and activate Bluetooth and go to Bluetooth on your iPhone. It should go and appear in other devices. Tap on your car to connect, and then you may get prompted for CarPlay on your car system itself. Otherwise, what I had to do with one of my cars is I had to go and connect it via the cable, and CarPlay only worked with the cable and not wirelessly. So that may be the case for you. Try connecting with the cable and see if the prompt appears on the car screen if it's the first time. What you want to do is go and find your connections. Go into Bluetooth and find the car, press the I to the right, and you want to go and forget the device. If you've got multiple, make sure you go and repeat that, press forget this device and confirm the decision. I'm not going to right now, but forget it there. And also go to General again and go down and find CarPlay, find the car and forget the car. After you've gone and forgotten it, what you also want to do is, I think it's worth coming into General and coming to About at the top. Let me just do that to hide some details and press Name. Just go and change the name of the phone slightly. So you could do something like just changing it from GuideRealm phone to adding a number like I did there. So just change it by, and then what you can try doing is connecting to it via Bluetooth again. So put it into pair mode on your car, and you can also try plugging it in and seeing if it will then go and get the prompt. And sometimes doing that reset will solve it. If that still doesn't solve it, what you want to try doing is a forced restart on the iPhone. Press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button. You'll see this screen here, but just keep it held down. When you see the Apple icon, release the power button. When it comes back on, go and see if you can connect and set it up. If that still doesn't work, come back to your settings, scroll down to General, scroll all the way down, and you want to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Press Reset and try resetting the network settings. This will forget your Wi-Fi passwords, but it hopefully will go and solve it, and you can then connect to CarPlay. Hopefully this video solved your problem.